Hello everyone, welcome to Hannara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to show you something very special that we can actually use for decorating any festivals for that matter. Whether it is Lakshmi festival, that is Varmaha Lakshmi festival, or it is Navratri or anything. So we know that we all actually buy banana plants to decorate or keep besides the god, isn't it, during the festivals. But sometimes it so happens that we are not able to get very good banana plants and all. Or otherwise you could also be abroad or in a place where you don't get it. So this is something that we can actually use in case we are not able to get banana leaves, and this is called as Navadanya, which means 9 types of pulses. This is the standard Navadanya packet that is readily available in the shops where we find puja items. So either you can buy it from there, or this is also available on Amazon.com, so you can even buy it from there. The items which are available when we open such a Navadanya packets are pigeon peas, black gram, wheat, white gram, horse gram, black till, paddy, green gram, black chana. So we are going to use these to actually grow the pulses which can be kept beside the gods and used it for decoration as well. Apart from that, Navadanya is considered very auspicious, and that is why these are actually sold in the puja items shop. So this is the pot that I'm going to use to plant all of these pulses. Okay. So for this pot, I don't need so much of pulses. Okay. I probably need just 1/4 of this packet. Otherwise, the number of plants that are going to come up will be too much, and there won't be literally any space left for the plants to grow. So that is why we are not going to use the entire packet. We are just going to use 1/4 of each of these packets. Okay. And these kind of pots are readily available on Amazon along with the tray that you can keep at the bottom. So now I'm going to open all of these and we are going to wash it. The reason why we wash it is because if there are any damaged seeds or if there are any pests inside the seeds, okay, all of them will go away, and whichever are the damaged seeds, they will actually start floating on top of it, and we can discard all those seeds. So as you can see, all the damaged seeds and all, they are floating now. So this is what we need to discard, and we need to keep the ones which are at the bottom. I have discarded all of the floating seeds. Now let me just put water again to see if I have discarded the right ones. Now again you can see there are few more seeds which are floating. I'll have to discard these as well. So as you can see, I have got all the healthy seeds now. Now what we do is, we take another small bowl and we pour it inside this, and we soak it with water. So each of these pulses have to be washed like this, and the damaged seeds have to be thrown and the healthy seeds have to be soaked like this for overnight. And that is when you can actually get the pulses faster. Otherwise it's going to take a very long time. It takes about 7 to 10 days for the pulses to start growing. And if you want a good length of pulses, something like this, something which is this tall, then I think you will have to wait nearly about 10 days. So in case if Navratri is on 10th of November, so you will have to do this activity on 1st of November itself, or a little couple of days early, so that it is ready by the time of Navratri. So I carry on with the same process for the rest of the pulses. Dear friends, as you can see, I have soaked all the Navadanyas and 3 pulses along with it. So this has to be soaked overnight, and tomorrow I will have to plant all of these things so that we get the pulses. For planting Navadanya, you actually get planting soil mixed along with the manure and coco peat and so on. So you can just go to any of the garden shops or even the roadside shops where where they are selling plants, and you should be able to get it. So that's the kind of soil that I have used here. Cover 3/4 of the pot with soil and then put the seeds. And press it slightly, and then cover the rest of the pot with soil. That should do. So in the similar way as I have shown you in this video, I have done the same thing for all other 9 to 12 Navadanyas. So once it is planted, you will have to water the Navadanyas, okay? But for watering, please don't use too much of water, because too much of water will actually make the seeds decay. That is why you will have to spray water in this particular fashion, like what I have shown you in the video. But when you are spraying, please keep it a little far. Don't keep it as close as we have shown you. The reason why I was not able to keep it too far is because it would not record properly for the video. So you will have to keep watering like this for about 5 to 6 days until the sprouts start growing. And after 5 to 6 days, you will have to water the plants with a little bit of water from your hands or from the jug, okay? So don't pour the water directly from the jug. Just use your hands to pour the water. It should be in small quantities and everywhere around the pot. So this is how my plants look like after 10 days of watering, and they are now ready to be used for festival decoration. This is how I had decorated Varmalakshmi festival last year using Navadanyas. So you can also decorate using these Navadanyas for Navaratri, and in fact for Navaratri this is considered very, very auspicious. They say that your house is as rich as these Navadanyas grow in your house, okay? So the healthier the plants are, your home is going to be filled with happiness and wealth. So this finishes today's video, my dear friends. In case you have liked this video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.